Hello everyone! Today we'll create a stunning luxury resin flower coffee table from start to finish. Let's begin by preparing all of our materials. The first step is measuring the resin and hardener precisely. Accurate measurements are essential for a strong, crystal clear finish. Mix slowly and thoroughly for several minutes. Gentle stirring helps reduce air bubbles and creates a perfectly smooth resin. Now we're pouring the first transparent resin layer. This creates a beautiful, clear foundation for our floral design. Next, we'll prepare elegant colors. Pearl white, blush pink, and metallic gold will give this table a luxurious designer look. Slowly pour each color to create soft, flowing marble patterns. Every design becomes completely unique. Now comes my favorite part, arranging the preserved flowers. Take your time to create a balanced and elegant composition. Small adjustments make a big difference. Position every flower carefully for the most beautiful final result. Finally, we'll seal everything beneath a crystal clear layer of resin, protecting every flower forever. One last bubble check ensures a flawless, professional quality finish before curing. After the resin has fully cured, it's time for the most satisfying moment, revealing our beautiful tabletop. We'll smooth every edge and polish the surface until it shines like crystal glass. The final step is attaching the premium gold frame, transforming the resin panel into a luxury coffee table. And here is our finished luxury floral resin coffee table. Thank you for creating with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next resin art project.